Hey kids, I wanted to show you a really cool tool that I found while I was exploring a little bit, looking at how we can kind of take all of these ideas and explorations that we've been moving through and put them into a culminating book of our own creation. So, first thing I'm going to do is go to the website book creator, and there it is, .com. When I log into my book creator, I'm going to see the option to sign in. So I want to sign in, and then you'll see your student sign in. So that's where you'll sign in, and you can just do that with your Google account that you already have. I already have an account, so I'm going to go with my teacher sign in, and then I'm going to sign in with my Google account. And it's forwarding. Here we go. And then it'll pop up. Here's my collection. So you'll see that I've got 2 books started here, and I was just playing around with this one here is the playing around with the comic book version, and this one over here is what I've been working on for my pursuit of happiness. So all you'll do is just click on the creation of a new book. And when you click on the creation of a new book, you'll see your options. Do you want to go with your traditional type of a book, or do you want to go with a comic type of a book? And it's up to you what you want to do. You can do whichever, which is super cool to have those options. So let me show you what I did with mine. So I'm going to take you into my pursuit of happiness, and I just chose the basic book version. So here's what I did. So the first thing I did was think about what I wanted as my cover for my book. And so I found this cool image that brought up the question for my search. And then I added in the image. And all I did was click on the plus button, and then I can see these media options that I have. And so I just wanted to import something. And when I clicked the import, I found the image on Google. But I can also add files that I have collected. I can connect to my drive, which is where I can pull stuff that I've already got. If I have things already loaded in my portfolio, I can just pull them over from that. Or I can embed videos or any links to whatever it is that I might have found online. So this is my cover. It's a work in progress, so let's bear that in mind. I tried, right? And then I decided that I wanted to start my book with the beginning, and where the beginning of my story takes place. So again, I practiced with a couple of features. I tried the pen option as I wrote the beginning. It's not that good. That's probably a do-over moment for me. It's a little trickier than I thought it would be. I also added some text, and I imported an image. And then I moved over to what inspires me. So I thought I would pull up the Cole Bennett video that I shared with y'all, and why that inspires me, and how some of what he's saying is what I believe. And then I thought, well, on this pursuit of happiness, things get hard. So what do we do when we struggle? And I wanted to find something that would inspire me in those darker moments. And so where better to turn than Harry Potter? The constant battle between good and evil, and mixing those two things. So I pulled my favorite quote. But also I love this by Sirius Black, because it resonates with the Native American myth of the 2 wolves. So I love bringing in those connections for me. And then I wanted to bring in Tupac in the Depths of Solitude. I love this poem about the battle between being who we are authentically and what people want us to be, and how we can easily lose ourselves. So, and there was me just talking about it just a little bit. So the options are yours. So you've got so many options in here, things that you can do to create. I encourage you to play around with it and see what you get, and it'll be great. I miss y'all.